What's up guys, it's Desert Bug Out and I'm back with another video. This one is the M29 Smith and Wesson little revolver. I've seen online these for sale listed as I think listed as a 44 but the marking on the pistol itself says 357 Magnum, so I don't know, but it's the M29. It says Combat Magnum here. Of course, I sprayed it with the plastic dip to give it the rubber grip feel. It's got a little bit of branding right there. Pull the trigger. Cylinder rotates. Pull this back to open it up. It's got little dummy rounds. Just a heads up, when you get these, how many rounds that thing hold? 2, 4, 6. 6 rounds. These are what the rounds look like. But when you get these, just keep in mind that this one and the Python, the rounds were jammed in there pretty good. They were jammed in there pretty good, and I actually had to use a punch pin and punch them out. So, you know, just if you get one of these and your rounds are in there and you can't get them out, just know that you can get them out. You just got to punch them out. I like the rounds to be removable because, I don't know, it's just cooler that way. So anyhow, it's silver color. I've never seen these in another color, only this color. It looks like it's made by the same company who made the M500, the higher end M500. So, you know, the quality's pretty good. This little red piece is plastic. Looks like you can remove it and replace it or whatever, but that's what it looks like from the front, the side, back. Pull the hammer, the grips. Yep, so that's it. That's the M29 Smith and Wesson Revolver. So anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Like my video if you like it. Share it with your friends. Follow me on Instagram at Desert Bug Out, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.